Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining healthy nerve cells, supporting brain function, and producing DNA and red blood cells. Since it's primarily found in animal products, vegetarians often need to find alternative sources. Here are 7 vegetarian sources of B12. 1. Fortified plant-based milks. Many almond, soy, rice, and oat milks are fortified with B12. Check the label to ensure you're getting a good source. 2. Fortified breakfast cereals. Some cereals, especially those designed to be health-conscious, are fortified with B12. Choose low-sugar varieties for a healthier option. 3. Nutritional yeast. Often used as a cheesy flavored topping for dishes, nutritional yeast is a great source of B12 when fortified. It's popular among vegetarians and vegans. For fortified meat substitutes, plant-based meat alternatives like veggie burgers or soy-based products are sometimes fortified with B12. These are convenient for those avoiding meat but wanting the same nutritional benefits. 5. Dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are good natural sources of B12 for vegetarians who consume dairy. 6. Eggs, particularly the yolk. Eggs provide a decent amount of B12, making them a valuable addition to a vegetarian diet. 7. Fortified nutritional supplements. If dietary sources are not enough, B12 supplements in the form of tablets or sprays can be taken. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any supplements. It's important for vegetarians to regularly monitor their B12 levels to avoid deficiencies, as B12 from plant-based foods is less bioavailable than from animal products.